Meaning of half-hearted.
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 Half-hearted. Half-hearted is an adjective used to describe a person's lack of enthusiasm or effort in a particular action or situation. When someone does something half-heartedly, they are not fully committed and may only put in minimal effort. This can lead to mediocre results, as the person is not giving their full attention or energy to the task at hand. Ultimately, being half-hearted can hinder one's success and prevent them from achieving their full potential. It is important to approach things with enthusiasm and a whole heart in order to achieve maximum results.